Good morning, grade 1. Did you study the previous 2 lessons in science that we have covered during term 2? We have spoken about what do plants need, and we have finished what are the parts of the plant. Roots, stem, leaves, flower. Roots, stem, leaves, and flower. Today we will start with the 3rd lesson, and it's called How Do Plants Grow and Change? Okay, as you know that most plants grow from seeds. How can we grow a plant? We should get a seed and put it in a soil and it will grow, right? But here is telling you that some seeds have a seed coat. What is a seed coat? This is the seed coat here. I'm pointing to the seed coat down. It protects the seed. It's like a covering that protects the seed, okay? So most seeds have seed coats. Most seeds have a seed coat. What is a seed coat? It's like a covering that protects the seed, okay? So seed coat covers and protects the seed. 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 Okay, so some seeds have seed coat, and a seed coat covers and protects the seed. Here he's telling you when you start to grow a plant or your own plant, and inshallah this year you will grow your own plant at home. If you water the plant, if you put it in an airy place and it has a sunlight, by the end this plant will grow. First we put the seed in the soil. After a while we will have the roots grow down in the soil. Then next the stem grows up, and then leaves and flowers and more flowers and leaves will grow. So these are the steps of how to plant or a plant grows, okay? So you should water the plant. If the seed gets water and warmth, means sunlight, the plant in it may start to grow. So we said seed coat covers and protect the seeds, and I told you how do we have the parts of the plant. First we have the roots, next the stem grows up. After this we'll have leaves, more leaves, and by the end we'll have flowers, more flowers, and we will have fruits. Remember, leaves make food, flower makes fruit. I don't want you to forget what did we say about the flowers and about the leaves. Okay? Right. Here we speak about how pine trees grow. The trees, they are normally plants, okay? They are plants, okay? But we don't call the stem of the tree stem, because you know that the tree has a big stem, okay? And the stem of the tree is very big, okay? And it's woody, okay? Because do you remember when we said in natural resources that we get wood from trees? So the stem of the tree is very big and woody, and we get wood from it, okay? So we don't call it stem, but we call the stem of the tree trunk. We call it trunk because the stem of the tree is woody and big. It's not like the stem of a normal plant or a flower, no, because it's woody and big, we call it trunk. So the stem of the tree, we call it trunk, okay? So please, I don't want you to forget the name of the stem of the tree. So now we will start with, why don't you erase it? Okay. Now we start about how pine trees grow, okay? How pine trees grow. First, here he wants to tell you that the pine tree doesn't have flowers. We have a tree, it's called pine trees. It doesn't have a flower, okay, but it has cones, okay, and there are seeds inside these cones. There are seeds inside these cones, okay? So when we grow these cones and we have the seeds that are coming from these cones, we can start to grow a pine tree. First, we have what's called seed sprouting. Okay, the first thing that's called seed sprouting. After a while, we will have seedling. After a while, we'll have a small tree. And by the end, we will have an adult tree. And this is how pine trees grow. First, we have cones, and we said that we have seeds that are inside these cones. After a while, we will have seed sprouting. After a while, we will have seedling, small tree, adult tree. This is how pine trees grow. Cones, seed sprouting, seedling, small tree, adult tree. One more time. Cones, seed sprouting, seedling, small tree, and adult tree. This is how pine trees grow. Thanks for watching. Best of luck. See you.